Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging on this device. Begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down and choose Battery and Device Care. Now click on Battery over here. Scroll all the way down again and click on More Battery Settings. Finally, scroll down one last time and tap on this switcher next to Fast Charging feature. As you can see after that, fast charging is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!